When you fold it, you get this prettiness. Very, very, very pretty. I mean, love it. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. As you guys know, as we're watching this video, me and Jamie are in Italy enjoying our last bit of summer holidays and also hunting for the house. I'm hoping that by the time you guys watching this video, we have got a house, fingers crossed. So ready for our big move to Italy. So today I want to share some lovely papers from Tracie Fox Creative. As you guys are aware, I am part of Tracie's creative design team, and this month I'm going to play with this lovely kit. It's called Green Blue Who Ephemera. I love it, and the reason why I love it is because it goes so well with my blue indigo paper, which is my #1 top seller. You guys love this kit and I'm really appreciative. Honestly, the orders of this paper has been phenomenal. Honestly guys, thank you so much. I love this paper. I mean, look, and Tracie's style is so unique. I mean, look at this ephemera. So you've got butterflies, a map, all these wonderful handsome guys. You've got some floral embellishment. You've got, I mean, look at these little tags, or you can use them as postcard, stamps as well. Look at that. It's a beautiful collection of blue ephemera, and I will put the link down below so you can buy the kits as well. Look at that. So what I wanted to, I mean, they will look, that's look amazing as a tag. So if you fold it into half, that's a beautiful tag. And that, love it, love it, love it. So what I want to do, I want to make some loaded envelope pocket, I want to say, because it's an envelope, but also it's a big pocket because it goes, everything goes in there. So this is a prototype. It is made using a 12 by 12. But what I'm going to do today with you guys, it is literally the same principle. It's the same folds and the same everything, but I just want to show you different sizes. Okay, so that's the 12 by 12, so you get this huge, in fact I can tell you the dimension. So that is 8.5. So from the top, from the highest point, it's literally, it's a square 8.5 by 8.5. Okay, but what I want to do before I do the actual envelope, I'm going to create a collage. So I'm going to use Tracie's paper because you've got lots of different embellishments and mine, and we're going to create a blue background, and I'm going to use a 6 by 6. Okay, so that's the little pocket that I made. Look at that, that's a 6 by 6. So, and this is what I show you with you today, is a 6 by 6. So what I did, look, because that's the front and that's the back. That's Tracie's paper doing into a collage, which you will probably see. That's the blue map, that's the embellishment, and then this is my imperial indigo. So on the paper I've done one side, and that's the leftover with my paper, and then the other side I literally glued all Tracie's embellishment ephemera, and I create my paper. So when you fold it, you get this prettiness. Very pretty. I mean, love it. And then I just put one of my butterflies in there. Look at that, I love it, all blue. So let me show you how to make these little pouches. So I'll do you in fact I'll show you the 6 by 6 so you can see how to make those. Okay, so square, we like a square, fold it in half so you get the triangle. It's funny because in the last 6 months I've got these taste, if that is the right word, this fancy for folding techniques. Hence why you see quite a lot of origami projects on my channel, a lot of different fancy folds. I don't know why, it's just something that I quite enjoy doing it, and I like to experiment, and I like to experiment with different papers, because sometimes, guys, with the same fold, with the same technique, you just change the paper, you get a project that look completely different. So right, so we fold that square, okay, so we got the triangle. Then what we do, we fold the tip down, okay. This is an old Christmas scrap paper that I'm definitely not going to use, okay. So you got that triangle down. Now you want to fold this tip here, the one on my right hand side is going to come forward. We're going to align this line here into there. So you see, so if I press it down, we need to get these two lines, so this line there and that line there parallel, literally to be exactly on the same. I've not invented this fold, a lot of people have done this fold. I know Barbara from Treasure Books done it, Anne Melvin done it, a lot of different creators have done it with different sort of folds and sizes, but that's my version. So then let's do the same on the other side. So this corner here, we're gonna fold it and we're gonna follow this horizontal line there, okay, and that is it. I know, you're welcome, you're very welcome, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So open up, so you get this, what I did in there, pull these two down, pull the flap up, and then I fold it inwards, okay, so you get this effect. I've not done a good job of folding it, to be fair. Let's fold it, okay, so it's straight, and then I'll fold it on the other side. So you don't have to do this, but I think it looks more neat if you do that. So on here I've actually glued it, so I put some glue on this triangle here, just on this little tip of the triangle, and then I fold it there, and then with my bone folder I fold this down, okay. So if I show you again, fold it there and then squeeze it, okay, and that is your pocket. So you, to be fair, you can add the pocket there if you want. So there is a pocket, oops, a bit too rough, yes Antonio, because it's not dried yet, okay. No, I'm not done it, oh goodness me, wait a minute, let's put some glue back there. It's because I'm trying to be quick so you guys don't fall asleep. Okay, so that should stay. So you end up having the big pockets here, and then if you wanted to, and I'm not going to touch it too much, there is another pocket there, okay, and that's our super cute pocket. Love them, absolutely love them. You can change the dimension, so we started with 6 by 6. You can make a teeny little weeny beeny little one, or you can go gigantic, okay, as long as it's a square, and that's what you get. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, because it really does help with the channel and the video. If you wish to make them, please join my Facebook group, and I really want to see your creation. There's a lot of talented crafters that every week share projects on my Facebook group. It's so interactive. You learn a lot from everybody, and that's what I love about it. If you wish to purchase Tracie's ephemera kit, see the link down below. If you wish to purchase my kit, use the link down below. Everything is linked down below. Have a wonderful day, guys, and until Friday, stay safe and well.